Hello, good morning everybody. Myself Manoj Kumar Chand, PGT Biology, Central Public Academy, Chauri Chora. We are going to discuss today the chapter number 2 of biology, that is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. This is the chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. First of all, before going to discuss this chapter, anybody of you tell me what is reproduction? Again we try to understand what is flowering plants and then sexual. First of all, I want to know from your side that what is reproduction. Anybody of you tell me what is reproduction? Anybody of you? Reproduction, you study in first chapter that any organism which have biological ability to reproduce and form their new offspring. Perhaps you better understood and try to better understood that reproduction means it is a biological process by which an organism have ability to reproduce and form their new offspring. So this is reproduction. And this reproduction is two types. First, that is sexual, and second, that is asexual. So there are two types of reproduction. One, asexual reproduction, and second, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, you already studied in your chapter number 1, reproduction in organism, that there is no formation. There is no formation and fusion of gametes takes place. So first thing of asexual reproduction, that there is no formation. There is no formation and fusion of gametes. It could not take place in asexual reproduction. But in sexual reproduction, you know that formation and fusion of gametes takes place. So this is the main difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. This is the basic things, that if sexual reproduction takes place, then there is formation and fusion of gametes takes place. But there is asexual reproduction, there is no formation and fusion of gametes takes place. First thing. Now, flowering plants. You remember that in your previous class, first year, you study the chapter number 2, chapter number 3, plant kingdom. You remember? And in plant kingdom, there are 5 divisions. Perhaps you understood and remember it. These 5 divisions are known as, what is that? Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. there are 5 divisions which are found under kingdom Plantae. Means plant kingdom have 5 divisions, that is algae, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm and angiosperm. And anybody of you try to think and answer me that out of these 5 divisions which have flowers, which division have flowers? Anybody of you tell me? You remember and think, try to think better to give the answer. Which are 5 divisions have the flowers? Anybody of you? Please remember carefully and take care and study. Now, I am not going in detail, but listen. Algae and bryophytes, these 2 divisions have no real root, leaf and stem. Understood? In algae and bryophyta, there is no real root, leaf and stem are present. These are only thyroid structure. Okay? And first of all, you see a real root, leaf and stem in Pteridophyta. That's why Pteridophytes is the first plant of the earth which have a real root, leaf and stem. After that, in Gymnosperm, this is the 4th point, 4th division of kingdom Plantae, that is Gymnosperm. Gymnos, it means naked, and Spermatophyta, it means seed. It means कि naked seed. So these group of division and include those type of plants which have naked seed. So first time you see the root, leaf and stem in Pteridophyta. Before it there is no root, leaf and stem real, but the seed first time you see in the Gymnosperm, and but these seed are naked. Now, till now, in algae, bryophyte, pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, there is no group of plants which have flowers. First time, the flowers you see in this division, that is called angiosperm. And this angiosperm is the group of plants which bear flower. So, real root, leaf, stem, flower, fruit and seed means all the things which you see in a plant, that is first time you see in the angiosperm. Angios means covered and spermatophyta means seed, yani ki covered seed. Angios means covered and spermatophyta means seed, means covered seed. So that's why when we say flowering plants, it means we talking about the angiosperm. The group of angiosperm plants are known as flowering plants. I think you better understood that what is flowering plants. So flowering plants means all the angiospermic plant which you see around yourself. You see around yourself those plants which bear